Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Vintage Computer is probably one of the most fascinating and rewarding collecting experiences, taking you on a journey through technological history, where you can explore the evolution of computing and appreciate the ingenuity of these remarkable machines. From the iconic Apple II to the powerful IBM PC, each vintage computer offers a unique glimpse into a bygone era, allowing you to connect with the past and understand the foundations of modern technology. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious newcomer, the world of vintage computers is full of exciting discoveries and endless possibilities. Number 5. Coavas Folding Desk. It's the perfect solution for small spaces. It's easy to set up and put away, saving you valuable time and space. Folding it up or down takes only 8 seconds. It's incredibly convenient and fast. When folded, it's only 1.8 inches thick. This makes it easy to store and transport. It's ideal for bedrooms, apartments, home offices, and more. It fits perfectly in tight spaces. Simply unfold it and start working, studying, or gaming right away. It's ready when you are. It features a beautiful rustic finish and a sturdy metal frame. It's built to last and add style to your space. What we like. It folds up in just 8 seconds, making it incredibly convenient for small spaces. Its compact design is perfect for apartments or dorms. If you need a space-saving desk that's easy to store away, this is the one for you. What people say. Sturdy, heavy, and able to easily handle the weight. The easiest thing ever to assemble and fold. Its sleek and sharp design adds a touch of elegance to my space. I'm impressed by how well it accommodates my 15 and 17 screens along with a desk phone charger, fitting nicely on the top without feeling cluttered. Setting it up was a breeze, and breaking it down is just as easy. Number 4. Tangkula Computer Desk. It boasts a large tabletop, providing ample space for your laptop, documents, and other essentials. You'll have plenty of room to spread out and work comfortably. 3 small drawers and 1 file drawer keep everything neatly organized. The smooth slides and handles make accessing your items effortless. The built-in monitor stand raises your screen to a more ergonomic height, reducing neck strain. The cable hole keeps your workspace tidy and clutter-free. It seamlessly blends into any room, whether it's your home office, bedroom, or study. Its vintage style adds a touch of elegance to your space. Made of high-quality MDF, it's incredibly sturdy and easy to clean. The clear instructions make assembly quick and straightforward. With ample storage, a stylish design, and easy assembly, it's the ideal solution for any workspace. Upgrade your home office today. What we like. This desk boasts ample storage with drawers and a hutch, plus a built-in monitor stand. Its vintage style adds a touch of elegance to any room. If you need a stylish and functional desk with plenty of storage, this is a great option. What people say. The finished product feels very sturdy. All of the guide holes for screws were there for my drawer tracks. The drawers open and close smoothly and are lined up correctly upon assembly. I think this desk looks really nice and is a good size for me. The desk is very sturdy and is a nice piece of furniture. I love the look and feel of the desk as it feels like a substantial real wood desk. I love the amount of drawers and the sturdiness of their build. Number 3. Sauder Palladia Computer Desk. This desk offers both style and functionality for your home office. Its vintage oak finish adds a touch of elegance to any space. Enjoy a large work surface perfect for your laptop, monitor, and all your office essentials. It's designed to maximize your workspace. The flip-down keyboard tray is a space-saving feature, keeping your keyboard and mouse within easy reach when needed. It features multiple drawers for convenient storage of files and office supplies. The lower drawer even accommodates letter-size hanging files. The small drawers have metal runners and safety stops, ensuring smooth operation and the safety of your family. It's designed for quick and easy assembly with a patented T-slot drawer system. Get organized in no time. It's crafted from engineered wood with a beautiful vintage oak finish, built to last and complement your home decor. What we like. It features a handy keyboard tray in a drawer for hanging files, making it practical and organized. It's also incredibly easy to assemble. If you're looking for a desk with convenient features and simple setup, this is a good choice. What people say. It really looks good. It looks surprisingly good for the price. It's very sturdy. And the rounded pillars sitting on the block bottoms is a really nice touch. There is a finished back to the desk so you could use it in the middle of a room. The drawers slide well and there's a nice access area for cables. The drawers slide smoothly. It has a really nice look to it. Really nice sturdy desk, beautiful wood color. Drawers are my worst enemy installing, but these slid together like it was nothing. Easy. Number 2. Core memory, vintage computers. Step back in time and explore the fascinating world of vintage computers. This visual journey showcases the evolution of technology, from bulky mainframes to early personal computers. See the machines that laid the foundation for today's digital age. Discover the ingenuity and innovation behind these groundbreaking devices. Marvel at the unique aesthetics of these historical computers. Their designs reflect the technological and cultural landscape of their time. Examine the inner workings of these remarkable machines. It's a testament to the creativity and problem-solving skills of early engineers. These vintage computers represent a pivotal moment in technological history. Their impact continues to shape the world we live in today. Witness the remarkable progress made in computing technology. It's a journey from room-sized behemoths to the portable devices we use every day. What we like. This book offers a comprehensive visual journey through the history of vintage computers. It's perfect for enthusiasts and collectors. If you're passionate about vintage technology, you'll love this visual survey. What people say. The photos are huge and of great quality. It looks like they found the cleanest, best-kept examples of each machine. Mark Richards' photographs are archaeological gems of the most important technological creation of the last 50 years. Richards exposes the guts of the machine in a way few have ever seen and fewer still could imagine would be so beautiful. The book is a great overview of the history of chimerical military computer development in the last 60+ years. Hits most of the major models, and mentions why they're in the book. Each one was a special development in its time for one reason or another. Number 1. 52 Vintage Computers Planner. Get ready to journey through time with this unique planner. Each week features a vintage computer, ready for you to color and plan your week. It's not just a coloring book, it's a fully functional weekly planner. Plan your appointments, set goals, and track your progress all in one place. Unwind and de-stress with the relaxing activity of coloring. Each vintage computer is beautifully illustrated, waiting for your creative touch. This planner takes you on a 52-week journey through the history of computing. Discover iconic machines and relive the golden age of technology. It's an ideal gift for computer enthusiasts, artists, or anyone who loves a touch of nostalgia. Give the gift of creativity and planning. The pages are designed for both coloring and writing. Enjoy smooth coloring and clear writing without bleed-through. Grab your favorite coloring tools and let's begin planning your year in style. It's time to make this year your best yet. What we like. It combines a weekly planner with a coloring book, featuring a delightful vintage computer theme. It's a fun and functional way to stay organized. If you enjoy coloring and need a unique planner, this is the perfect choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.